What's up guys, Cliff from the Sunday Drive, and today we're going to be showing you how to remove the factory side steps from your Silverado or Sierra. So welcome back to the channel guys. We are on the 2014 Silverado. We just finished wrapping it. Super pumped about how this color turned out. And we'll be doing a full reveal video on this soon, but today we are swapping out the side steps. We have some upgraded Westin side steps that we're going to be going with and going to be pulling these off today. And then in a following video, we're going to show you how to install the Westin side steps. This is going to be very quick. There are only 6 bolts holding this in. Now, if you have the crew cab, I'm not sure if there's any additional bolts, but on my double cab, there are only 6. So there are 3 supports, 1, 2, and 3. So front, back, and middle. And on each one, there are 2 bolts. There's going to be 1 bolt going directly up and 1 bolt directly going outward. So there's going to be 1 right about here and then 1 up right there on each of the supports. And they're all 13 millimeters. Now some of these were a little bit tight, so I went ahead and hand loosened them already. And now we're just going to back them off. So there's 3, like I said, facing outward. There's 1, not too long. This is the middle one, so that was the back one, and here's the middle one getting removed. That was much nicer. All right, now we have the 3 along the bottom. I'm gonna move to the back one, and that way it won't sag down towards one end. It'll still be supported in the middle. All right. Now it's still supported in the middle. It is going to come down when I remove this last one, so you want to make sure you're holding it. I'm just going to have it come down and like rest on me. Okay, there it goes. All right, and that is your side step removed. Very easy, 6 bolts. It's out. If you are gonna reinstall it, you can see that these top ones have slits, so you could just back those bolts out a little bit and then probably drop this on top so you don't have to like hold it up there and try to drill it in at the same time. So it looks like you could start the screws or bolts first and then slip this on top and then tighten them up the rest of the way. But this is not going to be going back on the truck. We are going to be upgrading to Westin side steps, and I'm super pumped to see how those look. If you want to know how to install those, see the link above or down in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Any comments or questions, leave them down and we'll do our best to get back to you. See you in the next video.